Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the next video that you will see, I'm probably gonna be in the same outfit. I just realized that I forgot to shoot an intro for this video, and this is a big one. Just a few of my friends know. Back in November, my dad came up to me and asked me if I was willing to move again. That's what we're doing. So this video that you will see right now will start probably in December. We toured a lot of apartments, like a lot, and it was a long process, but finally we found one. Once we decided on this one, we realized that we will have to do a lot of renovations on it. We didn't expect to do as much renovations as we had to do at the end, but my dad was like, let's just go all in, because maybe in the future I will buy this apartment, or maybe we can sell it. So if you put more effort into it, and if you spend a little bit more money on it, the value of the apartment will just go up. It was really exciting, and in the first part of this video I was just not really in the mood. I don't know why, I'm sorry, but it was just a little bit scary to move again. I lived in this apartment for 8 months and now I'm moving again. Now it's March, by the way. So yeah, we're gonna travel back in time and you're gonna see kind of the whole process. There are FaceTime videos because I couldn't be at the apartment all the time. While I was working, my dad was FaceTiming me all the time. We had to repaint the whole thing. There's a whole new kitchen now. So it was just really exciting few months, and I wanted to show you, and it's really exciting. I love watching renovation videos. Thank you so much for watching if you're still here, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the outcome, because in the next video we're doing the cleaning part, and actually in a week I am moving. So exciting things. Still a lot of things that we have to do. There's still a lot of furniture which is not there. Waiting for new couches. My bed situation is also questionable, but we will get to it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and let's go back to December now. Hey guys, I look absolutely disheveled, but I wanted to start this video right now. I am in home office. I just finished working. My dad just called me that they have signed the papers for the new apartment, so I need to get myself ready or somewhat presentable, and we're gonna go there and see what happened, what changed in the apartment. And in January we're going to start repainting the place. We're not gonna be able to get too much done just because of the budget that we have, but it's gonna be a lot bigger apartment than I am in right now, and that's not the main point for me. The main point for me is that it's a good investment for my dad, and it's an amazing opportunity for me. So it's a win-win situation, and it's gonna be really sunny. So I really need that in my life, and it's gonna be like the top of the building, so no one is gonna be like, I'm not gonna be hearing if someone is walking upstairs, because I'm gonna be upstairs. Anyways, let's get ready and let's go and see the apartment. It's so weird filming this video because you guys have no idea at this moment. It's the 15th of December 2021. Yay. I literally did the trick where you just put your hair up in a bun and put on some hoop earrings, minimal makeup, and you look put together. So this is the fit for seeing the new apartment. These boots were such a great investment. They're from CCC shoe store. I posted it on my story a few times, and you guys were asking for links, which was really interesting for me because no one ever asks for links from me. I just see it on the big YouTubers, and I was like, oh, you guys are so nice that you like what I actually post. It was really nice, so thank you. And I also have this turtleneck on with this little detail right there. I'm just gonna put a big coat over this and walk all over there because it's only around 10 minutes from here. I'm excited. I was not this excited like a few days ago, but now I'm actually excited because I've only seen this place once when we were touring it, and that was around a month ago or a month and a half ago, and we toured around 4 or 5 places with my dad and also with my brother. Anyways, let's just get going. I am nervous and excited. I will kind of show you guys around. I don't know if I've grabbed any any other footage when we were there filming with my dad. I don't know. Anyways, let's just get going. Such a weird angle, but we're here drinking a Red Bull because I'm tired. Okay. I'm not gonna vlog my dad, but we are in the building. Excited to see what's changed. Has anything changed?
I don't think so.
Okay, we will see. We will definitely have to paint.
The former owner, I don't know if he will be happy with vlogging.
Okay, then I won't vlog too much. All right. Okay, so I couldn't vlog and I didn't even want to because we were just going around checking everything. Thank God that my dad is doing everything that has to do with those serious things, because I don't have a clue, but it's a great opportunity to look into these things because I'll be able to do them myself when I will be getting an apartment for myself. The owner is gonna be my dad. I'm gonna be living here, the same arrangements as we have going on right now. I thought that I would do a empty apartment tour for you guys right now. The place right now is pretty not how I want it to look like. So I'm not the most excited because there's a lot of work to get done. But yeah, this is where we come inside. This is the hallway. We're probably going to get rid of this thing right here. This is the gas and probably that as well. I'm gonna take this off for sure and get another one. Right when you come inside on the left, there is this little space. This could be a pantry, or I was thinking about putting my cleaning supplies here as well. We are coming a bit further. There is this mirror right here. I think I'm gonna keep this. We'll probably have to, yeah, we will have to take this down because we will be painting the whole space, but we will put it back, I think. And here is the bathroom, which I'm not really happy about. I will want to change the tiles for sure because I just really don't like it. This is the whole thing. Nothing extra. There's a mirror as well. Hi. I don't know about the storage situation. I'm definitely gonna get rid of this. The medicine cabinet that I have in my apartment right now, I'll either get that or get a same one and put it up here because that is a great storage space for small spaces like this one. In the front we have my room. I told the man who we bought the place from that I want to keep this. I'll probably want to put it in the living room area because I don't really want to spend much money on, wow, it's really echoing in here. I don't really want to spend much money on furniture either, so I'm trying to use all the furniture that I have right now. This is a pretty small space, but I imagine putting my bed right there. Obviously we're gonna paint the whole thing. I'm thinking white. I'm gonna invite my friends over and do a little painting party. There, my dad just came back. Moving along, we have the kitchen. I was just talking with my dad that we will do something with the kitchen. We just don't know yet what we will do exactly. The kitchen that I have right now is one of the most beautiful kitchens that I've ever had in my life. So that will definitely be kind of a base how I would want it to look like. And we have the last room in the apartment, which is the living room area. We'll paint this as well for sure. And all of these things, everything that you see right here, it will be taken away. We don't know when yet. Yeah, it's a lot bigger than the living room that I have right now. Lots of opportunities to use the space and decorate it nicely. And yeah, that's it basically for now. I am really excited. We will see what will happen. I haven't even shot a apartment tour for my apartment right now. So that's weird, but maybe by this time that this video is up, maybe you will see that. So yeah, that's it. I'm nervous, excited, moving again. I just got settled in to my apartment where I live at right now. So another big change. I just started a new job. I have lots of feelings and emotions, but underneath all those feelings, I'm definitely really grateful that we can do this. So shout out to my dad for helping me always and in anything and everything. I'm excited to decorate this place. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.